We have several introductions this morning. We will start with Mr. Colton for the purposes of an introduction.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I would like to recognize the acts of kindness and our heartfelt gratitude to the principals of Maza Restaurant and Shalimar King of Sweets Restaurant for their exceptional generosity to needy persons in my neighborhood, starting with COVID-19 pandemic and then continuing beyond. These establishments provided free cooked meals to needy persons within my district and extended their support to neighborhoods and communities, other communities as well. We are honored to have here today visiting us Chef Nazir Javed and Seth Hazma Latif as representatives of these establishments. And Madam Speaker, I would ask that you extend the cordialities of the House to them and give them the courtesies of the floor. Thank you.
Thank you. On behalf of Mr. Colton, the Speaker, and all the members, we welcome you, chefs, restaurateurs, here to the Assembly Chamber and extend the privileges of the floor to you. Restaurants are obviously very important small businesses and the backbone of our communities, and we thank you for providing more than just food to our neighbors. We hope you enjoy the proceedings today. Thank you so very much for joining us.